X and Y intercepts, and we're about to do your homework, or at least start on it. I'm not going to eat all your Oreo cookies, right? Oh. So we're about to start on this. Let me start recording. Oh, and we're about to have F-U-N, fun, fun, fun. Ho, 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 ho. So a magical whiteboard appears and we're about to rock and roll on your homework. I'm only going to do one of these for you. This is pretty simple stuff. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is write down negative 3x plus y equals 1. So what we're going to learn in this is how to get the x and y intercepts from an equation. We're going to convert the equation to a table, to a graph, and then get the x-intercepts. We're also going to find the slope. All of this, okay, this is really important. You got to be able to go from a table to a graph to an equation. Okay, so we're going to solve this for y. So all you got to do is move the x across, and you're going to have y equal the negative 3x will turn into a positive 3x, and you put plus 1. Now then, on every single table, write these down for your x's. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Every single table. This will make it easier. So go to all the tables. Put negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. You will find those values. So all of your x's should be negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Now then, do this. Write down y equals 3 parentheses plus 1. Basically, you're going to plug the x into that parentheses, do the arithmetic, and get the answer. Oh, if you cannot do the integer work in your brain, you got to type it into the calculator. Okay? For instance, let's put the negative 2 in here. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. I'm going to take the negative 2 out, and I'm going to put negative 1 in there. Okay, let me start over on this. This is kind of funky. Where is my screen? Let me get my screen up again. Ho, 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 ho. Momentary delay here. Let this crank up. If you do this, does it make it go quicker? Oh, so I'm trying to get this started. Go, 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 go. My wife thinks I look so cool when I do this. Go, go, go. Okay, we're right here, so I'm going to go to the Zoom again. Hopefully we're still going. I'm going to share my screen. Share screen. Close this. Share screen again. It's right here. Oh, okay, so now I'm back. Oh, that was kind of weird. Okay, now then, plug in. Jiminy crickets, I need to do this. And then erase the negative 2. Okay, now then I'm going to put in negative 1. So 3 times negative 1 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Erase the negative 1 and plug in 0. 3 times 0 plus 1 is 1. Then replace the 0, or you'll see what I'm doing. I'm just plugging in those x's. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. Now then, what's happening to the y's? If you see the pattern, they're growing by 3, aren't they? So if I plug in 2, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, it is 7 in it. So I can get all of this from the graph, right? So negative 5, negative 2, 1, 4, 0. Notice there's no 0 over here. There's no 0 over here, so we don't know our x-intercept. I'll show you how to get that in a minute. Now then, let's graph these points. So we're going to graph left 2 up 5. This will be good, or left 2 down 5, right? Left 2 down 5, left 1 down 2, 0, comma 1, 1, comma 4, and we can't graph 2, comma 7, can we? So connect those dots. Let me do it in a green line so it shows up better. This would be our y-intercept, which is 1. And this right here would be our x-intercept, and it's a fraction in it. Okay, so this is why you learn standard, why it's so important. So let's write down increasing or decreasing. This is increasing, and the slope is 3 in it. Okay, so our slope is 3. Basically, you're going to draw an arrow up for increase, and draw an arrow down for decrease. So arrow up means increase, arrow down means decrease. We're increasing by 3, which is our constant rate of change. Now then, the y-intercept is right here. It's going to be 0, comma 1. But my x-intercept's messed up. If you notice, all of these equations are in standard, okay? So, To find the x-intercept, write down A, B, and C. My x-intercept is C over A in it, which is going to be 1 over negative 3, which is this in it. So that's the easy way to find the x-intercept. You just put C over A. So my x-intercept is going to be negative 1 over 3, comma 0. Ho, 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 ho. So step 1, solve the equation for y, get it in y equal mx plus b. Then you replace negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2 in for the x and get your answers, right? Graph those ordered pairs, then write down the x-intercept and the y-intercept. If the line does not go through the x-axis at a grid point, do C over A to get your x-intercept. This has been a blast. Ho, 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 ho. So have a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember, you are awesome and have a blast finishing this up. Oh.